Hi guys, RD here from PROTRADERSNETWORK.com, and today we're going to take a look at the pound dollar chart on the daily time frame. And as usual, I would like to just introduce myself to those who do not know me. Basically, I'm based in Singapore and have been trading since 1999, and that's over 20 years, having gone through a couple of crisis situations like in 2000 the dot-com bust, as well as 2008 financial crisis and the recent pandemic bust last year. So now in front of us we have the pound dollar daily chart, and as you can see we have been ranging in quite a large range. And if I may just draw a couple of lines here, we can see that the recent high of 1.42 is still providing some major resistance at this point, and price have actually retraced lower towards the 136 level, and I have actually drawn this particular slanting resistance, and we have a breakout on the 27th of July, and then after that price went on higher to test 1.398 level here, right? So we have a retracement lower and a support at 137 or around the 138 level. So price have now basically gone above the 9 moving average, which is represented by my blue line here. So as long as it's above the 9 exponential moving average to be exact, we might see further further bullish momentum going forward, right? So what I'm waiting for actually right now, guys, is that for price to actually close above this slanting line, right? So we have had this A, B, C retracement, and I'm looking for price to actually close above this particular slanting line, and once it does that, I'm actually going to look for a long trade, right? So to go long basically. And if let's say, okay, so let me just show you how it would look like if actually we were to be buying around this zone. So if let's say we entered at around this level, which is at around the 1386 level, our profit target at the top will be somewhere here at around 1398, and our stop loss can be placed just below the lows of this swing low. So if we have a trade using this kind of approach, whereby if we enter around here and with our TP just near the resistance and our stop loss just below the swing low, the current risk reward ratio is 1.33. So that's not too bad, right? As long as it's above 1. Some people say that 1:1 risk reward is not good enough. For me, 1:1 is fine. It's actually okay. You will have more trading opportunities if you actually trade using 1:1 risk reward ratio. But if you decide that it should at least be 1:2 or 1:3, then I guess you got to be waiting a little bit longer, because such opportunities and setups doesn't come too often. All right, so let's wait for price to actually close above this slanting line. Once it does that, we can really then take a trade, right? So if let's say price were to actually close below this particular support level, then the next support level, guys, is where this 200 moving average is. All right, that is dynamic support, and if that fails, we have the next low at around 136 level to look out for. But at this point, it is still supported at this level at 138, and we are looking for price to push to the north side, right? So that's it today for my analysis of the pound dollar daily time frame. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. It's always a joy to share my experiences with all of you and my analysis. I hope you all have benefited from it, and if you do subscribe to our channel, and looking forward to share more analysis and profitable setups with all of you guys out there, right? Thank you so much. Signing out, RD from Pro Traders Network.